Hello everybody. This is Jerry. So today we're gonna talk about all the different cameras I have and see if somebody can help me with the little problem that I have. So this is a Olympus camera. It's an old one, 6 megapixels, and I use it for the longest and it still works. But I don't use it no more. But lately I've been using my phone, so and my phone, it's like high definition. So whenever I make a video, it's always taking a long time to upload to the internet because it's just like 1 gig or above. So anyways, let's go into the Kodak, and this one is pretty good, and it's let's see, I don't know how many megapixels it is. I'm trying to see, but I don't see anything. But anyways, I used this one for a year or so, and it was good. And then this one, it was, I used it like 2 years ago, 12 megapixels, and it's pretty good. But I stopped using it because it was taking AA batteries and it was eating them like crazy. So that's why I'm using my phone, because I can charge it. And this one, the high definition JVC, it was a gift to me like 3 years ago, and I was working a lot, and I hardly use it because I was putting a lot of overtime and I didn't have time for YouTube videos, and I just put it to the side. And this is the one I have a problem. I will show you in a little bit. This one I bought too. All these cameras I bought them a long time ago, and I just put them to the side, in my closet, and just keep them safe. This one I bought it's a full high definition, and it says I can go in the water and everything. I made some videos, that's why I bought it for to go swimming, with kids and stuff like that. But I made a video, and it seems that it's like fish view. It looks weird. It doesn't look like a good video. And now I uploaded it, and I got comments from a bunch of friends that saying, yeah, it's pretty good, but it has a fish view. So that's why I'm not using this little guy, but it's pretty good. Maybe I have to go into the settings and see if I can fix it. This one over here, it's pretty old, as you can see from this one to this one. This is like newer model. I used it a few times too. Like I said, probably the only ones that I was using for YouTube was this ones. This three. I never got to use this ones because I was working too much, so I was too busy. And this one, like I said, just for the water park. But I can't find the the charger for this. It's right here. Using one hand and having problems here. But it's right here. I'm trying to open it. Alright, I can put the plug in there and it will charge the battery, which is right here. Or I can take the battery out and charge it that way too. But like I said, I don't know where I left all the adapters and plugs and everything. So I have to look for them. Hopefully it still works. So let's get to the real problem. I'm going to put the camera here for a little bit, and then I can show you. Alrighty, I went ahead and removed the other cameras and camcorders. So this one I was able to charge it because I had the plug for this right here. So I was happy. I charged it for the longest. Like I was telling you, if you don't charge your electronics, you know, the battery can die. On this one, the battery didn't die. I guess it just depends on the batteries. But check it out. Look, it has a different problem. And it's not one of those touch ones. Since, like I said, it was a gift a long time ago. And see that? There's no video. And the lens is open. You know, it's ready to record. This is how you close it. You know, I thought that was a problem because I didn't open it. But then I open it and it has just static. There's nothing there. And I tried to record and play back whatever I recorded, thinking that was just this and not the lens, you know. But I went in here, and as you can see, all of them are like that with lines. Hopefully it's not messed up because probably that person paid like $300 back then. Let's see. As you can see, there's the lines. So if anybody has any suggestion on how to fix this, let me know, comments below. And you know, I'm gonna do my research and see if I can repair it. Just today I was playing with it and I just couldn't figure it out on how to fix that, you know. It never got wet. I never used it, probably maybe once, or I don't know. But this camcorder's toasted, you know, unless I can fix it, and or I can take it to a repair place where they can fix it for, you know, cheap. Maybe I will pay $50 to $100, but after that, no more, because nowadays, you know, all the camcorders and cameras are cheap, so it'd be better to just buy a new one, you know. But always believe in fixing stuff. Uh-oh. Okay, my phone fell. It's crooked. There we go. Anyways, like I was saying, I always believe in fixing stuff, so I'm gonna try to fix it. I love messing around with electronics, especially with computers. Like I told you in my other videos, I'm a computer guy, so I'm handy with electronics, but this is a different beast. Never deal with camcorders or cameras. So like I say, if you know anything on how to fix them, help me out so I can get this up and running. I'm tired of uploading videos and they're taking forever because this phone, it's high quality, and sometimes it doesn't even look high quality in the videos I upload, you know. I guess I have to be outside, I don't know. But anyways, guys, thanks for being here with me. This is Jerry. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you next time.